Hi there, my name is Debbie Savage and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you a super easy gray coverage solution that I recently discovered while grocery shopping. I was at 99 Ranch Market, which is where I usually go to buy my produce and my Asian groceries, and I happened to walk past their beauty aisle, and this totally caught my eye and I decided to give it a try. This is the BIGEN One Push gray coverage cream color in the shade of 8, which is natural black. What caught my attention right away is that it's already pre-mixed in the bottle. No bowls, no brushes, no mixing. You literally just press and apply. I've already used this once before, so this is my second box. I wanted to film my full experience for you, show you what's inside, how to apply it, and then come back with my honest results. Also, after this video, make sure to check out my other hair dye videos that are on my channel, which include my Polar Hair Care Instant Dye Shampoo video and my Simpler Hair Care review. These videos are great options if you want to check out other hair dye solutions to color your gray hairs at home. Why I wanted to try this product is because I want to be able to have the freedom to color my hair at home. I want a solution that is mess-free. I also want something that's gentle on my hair, and I am excited to tell you that this is ammonia-free. Also, we all know that salon visits can be so expensive, and I wanted a fast and cost-effective solution to touch up my grays in between salon visits. And this product promised all of that. What I love the most is because of their push system, you only use what you need. So there is little waste, and most importantly, it's just perfect for my roots. That's all I need. I need a coloring system that just targets my roots only. So if you're looking for something like that, you definitely need to pick this up at 99 Ranch Market. What makes BIGEN One Push different? This is a permanent cream hair color with an innovative one push system. Let me tell you about it. Both the color and the developer dispense at the same time. There is no mixing. Thank goodness for that. And you just press the top and you apply it directly on your roots, and I can't wait to show you. So the key highlights are it's designed for full gray coverage. It's ammonia-free, so it's gentler on the scalp and hair. It has a pleasant scent. There's no harsh chemical smell. It leaves your hair feeling soft and manageable. The color is fade resistant and long lasting, and I am using the shade 8 in natural black, which gives a deep true black with a natural shine. And by the way, they offer a variety of shades from brown to black, so hopefully you can find one that works best for you. So here we are in my bathroom, and we are going to apply the color, and what you're going to do is apply the cap right on top. And it just snaps right on. So basically the colorant and the developer is all inside, and it is that easy. Here are the gloves that comes with the package. Thank goodness those are on hand. Here's the brush that comes with the hair coloring system. It has a comb, and it has kind of like a paddle to help you glide the dye into your hair. So the areas I like to target on my head of hair are around my hairline. The grays are very thick and strong along my temples, and I'm starting to get some here up on the upper part of my head, and I do have grays all around. So again, this is just a solution for my in-between hair salon visits. My gray hair is coming in fast and furious, so I would probably need to dye my hair every 2 weeks to feel comfortable and confident with having my dark hair shine. So for some of you, the application, you can go by longer in between your salon visits or your own at-home hair coloring sessions. For me, I don't like any gray hair peeping. I like to color my hair like every 2 weeks with this, and it works so well. So I'm going to take this brush and I am going to part my hair Okay, and yeah, make sure that your hair is dry. So there's the part. You take this. Okay, I had to adjust the camera a little bit so you can see it better. But so here's my hair part, and I don't know if you can see it, but I see plenty of gray hairs popping up. Let's get rid of them. And I'm just going to press the product over there on my hairline. And take the fancy brush that's included in the box, and I'm just going to spread it into my hair. So a lot does come out in each push, in each press, so pay attention to that. I'm going to use this right now to blend in the hair. And yeah, there is one pass right here. I like to go about like every 1 to 2 inches, seeing like how much gray that I have. So I'm going to add a little push, little press right there, and just brush it in. And the brush feels really comfortable. It doesn't hurt your head. It does a really great job in spreading the product along your roots. Okay, I'm going to do another section again. Gently separate my curls. Got some knots at the end. Got a nice part. Okay. And then here is the product. I don't know if you can see, is the developer, and the yellow is the color. And then when they are combined together and interact, it turns black. Okay, just a few pushes. And I'm going to brush it in. And it's really easy to use, and it honestly is mess free, and it doesn't smell bad at all. So this is a total win. I'm going to really concentrate here because that is where my grays are very strong. And I'm going to brush the product in. There's quite a lot here, but I need it really concentrated, because my grays are just peeping out so incredibly strong here at my temple. Yeah, so this is all you have to do. It's really, really easy. It says in the instructions that you can leave it on your hair for up to 15 minutes. I'm gonna err on the longer side and actually put it on for 30 minutes because my grays are super stubborn. But again, it was really easy to apply, and you can see how dark the dye is right now on my scalp. And I do have a little bit of bits that got onto my skin, so I need to make sure to take that off before it stains my skin. And I'm going to show you how to take off the top and how to clean it up before you store it for use in the future. Be sure to rinse your brush, and it comes off fairly easy. See the two tubes, the two containers of the developer and the color. So we're going to pop off the top, and you squeeze it right here and it snaps right off. I'm just going to give this a little rub down to get any hair dye and chippiness off of it. The cleaning syringe right here, I believe it's called. And so what you're going to do is take the top of it and slide it over the bottom of the spout, and through air it just pushes out the remaining hair dye so it doesn't clog it up. You guys, I am so bummed. For some reason, the audio is not showing in my final clips, but the show must go on. As you can see, I am extremely happy with the results. My hair feels so soft. It's not dry. The colored payout is beautiful. It's not flat or weird in spots. It looks really natural, and it covered up my grays beautifully. Out of all the at-home hair dyes that I've used, this one by far is my favorite. Let me show you my befores. You can see some of the grays poking out. I don't know why more is not showing on camera because I honestly have a ton. Here's my after. My hair looks amazing. The color is so true to my natural roots. It just looks so beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and I will see you in my next video.